Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Atour Lifestyle Holdings. This is ticker ATAT. Now, the general stock market had a bit of a whippy day. We had SPY pulling back and closing under Friday's low from last week and Monday's low from today. And so a bit of a give back day here in the general market, but ATAT showed a lot of relative strength by pushing through its 50-day moving average, 8-day exponential, and 200-day moving average, and doing it on higher than average volume. And so a good amount of relative strength versus the S&P 500. And if you've watched my videos before or subscribed to our YouTube channel, you know that I always look for stocks that are up on a day when the market is down. And this is one of them. And so I'm watching this for a potential move higher if it can break above this clear downward sloping trend line of resistance. And so you can see that this trend line has been acting as resistance since December. The market went down, this stock went up, and so now I want to see if this can break out and get above and stay above that downward sloping trend line of resistance. And so I want to see this stock break through and close above $39.50. Now that'll take us just above this high from Friday, and if it can do that, then we might have a potential trend change here on Atour Lifestyle. So that's just one of many stocks I'm looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful, and if you want more charts like this, give us a try. Click that link. I hope to see you at StockMarketMentor.com.